Hello everyone, is your Victorola record player stuck on Bluetooth? No worries, I'll show you the quick steps to reset it and get it working properly again. Let's fix it. Power off the record player and turn it back on. Disconnect all connections like speakers, power cord, and then reconnect only the power cord and try connecting to Bluetooth. Set the record player to Bluetooth mode. Attempt to connect your Bluetooth device again. Check for and install any available firmware update for this record player. Why Victorola record players stuck on Bluetooth? There may be interference or conflict from other connected devices causing the Bluetooth to freeze. Outdated firmware or software bugs can lead to connection problems. There may be a hardware problem where the incorrect power cord may cause the device to have issues. Fix 1. Restart the record player. Turn off your Victorola record player, unplug it from the power outlet, and wait at least 60 seconds before plugging it back in and turning it on. This simple reset can often resolve temporary glitches affecting the speakers. Fix 2. Clear out extra connections. Disconnect all output and input connections from the record player, including external speakers and the power cord. Ensure the power cord is securely plugged into both the wall outlet and the record player and test the wall socket with another device to confirm it works. Use only the original or manufacturer recommended power adapter, as an incompatible adapter can prevent the platter from spinning. Turn the record player back on and immediately set it to Bluetooth mode. Try connecting your Bluetooth device again. Fix 3. Update firmware and software. Firmware updates often include fixes for known bugs that cause Bluetooth connectivity problems. Update turntable, open the Victorola Stream app and click on your turntable, go to About Turntable and tap. Check for update. If an update is available, install it and let the turntable reset for about 2 minutes. Update Sonos system. Open the Sonos app, tap the settings wheel cog in the bottom right, go to system, then scroll to system update, tap check for updates and install any available updates. Fix 4. Reset Bluetooth connection. Perform a soft reset by powering the turntable off. Press knob for 5 seconds until it flashes white twice and then powering it on again. If issues persist, perform a hard reset by holding the knob for 15 seconds until it flashes red, or use the factory reset option in the Victorola app. You will need to set up the device again after this. Alternatively, in the Victorola Stream app, select factory reset under additional settings. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.